Hi everyone, this is Iman here. Today we will discuss about that what is social media marketing and how we can do social media marketing. So basically, first of all, we will discuss about that what is social media marketing before going toward our topic. So first of all, you have to, if you are new on my channel, you have to subscribe, like and press the bell icon for new notification. It's my humble request that it's my first video on my channel, so please subscribe and like my video and share with your friends. Must share with your friends and tell them to subscribe. So first of all, we will discuss about what is social media marketing. As you saying that marketing is like advertisement, and social media mean different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TV. And these all are social medias. So social media marketing is a use of social media platform or website to promote a product or services. Basically, this is an advertisement of any product by social media. You are going to do advertisement of any product or anything on social media. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, almost. How we can do social media marketing? So there are some steps that first of all you must have a bonding with the social public people and quality followers. You must have quality followers and budget, social budget, and clear goal. Level pair social media, know the engagement to how to two-way street, create content your followers love, automate to maximize your time and performance. Basically, in social media marketing, you must have a social bonding with people. By social bonding with people, you can easily advertise your product, and you can become popular in your public or people or followers. In USA, so we have checked that how can market social media, how can done social media marketing in USA. For social media marketing on different platforms, you must know about that how we can create accounts for our social media marketing. Basically, mostly we use Facebook for social media marketing. Popularly, people like or follow us on Facebook account. So in next video, we will discuss about that how we can create our account on Facebook account for digital marketing, for social media marketing, or how can create a page for social media marketing. So thank you for watching my video, and must subscribe.